So what I did here is I used this adapter. What the hell? In this video, I'm going to show you a pretty neat way that I use to get these Dewalt batteries to work on this Milwaukee drill, or this Dewalt battery to work on this Ryobi tool, coming up right now. This is Rudy from the Home Improvement channel with another video showing you how to fix things around the house. If you're a subscribed member to my community, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, consider clicking that subscribe button below. And please like this video if you found it helpful for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right to it. Okay, so obviously we have here a Milwaukee drill with a Dewalt battery, and it works great. So what I did here is I used this adapter that goes in the middle, right here, and it's a good idea to label these adapters because they're not real obvious what they fit. They pretty much have some generic labels on them that don't mean anything to me. So just label it on the bottom there so that you can recognize it later. Right there. And you might be asking, does this affect the power? Well, here's a clip of me using this 2-inch hole saw right here, cutting this 2x4 out. And the power is exactly the same. These older Milwaukee batteries I have are on their last leg, but I already had these fresh Dewalt batteries, so why buy $150 worth of batteries when I can just buy a $15 adapter? I don't have every combination of adapter available here, but you might have a platform like a Dewalt platform, or you might have a Milwaukee platform, but you see another tool like a Rigid or a Makita or a Ryobi or whatever, and that tool is fairly cheap, but you don't want to buy the battery for it and the charger, because you can't just buy the battery if you don't have a way to charge it. You got to buy the charger as well, so that really jacks the price of it up a lot. But for a $15 battery adapter, you can use your Ryobi. Here's one here with a Dewalt 9 amp hour 60 volt 20 volt battery in here. It works fantastic. Works the same as the original Ryobi battery. I don't hear any difference at all in that. It works great. So whatever combination of tools that you have, or batteries that you have, to whatever combination of tool or battery that you might need, more than likely it's going to be out there. Here's another example of a Dewalt to a Dewalt. This is an older NiCad setup for the 18-volt NiCad to the newer 20-volt setup. There's an adapter for that. So your older Dewalt tools that use the NiCad, you can now use your new Dewalt 20-volt batteries with that. So that works fantastic as well. Okay, so I'm not going to go into too much testing. I've showed a couple of clips already. I have tested these and they work equal to their counterpart of the same brand, so there's no issue there. Okay, thanks for watching.